I want to buy a new house, but I got to sell another house. How does all that work? I'm Cale Thomas with Elite Properties Direct, and in today's video, I want to talk a little bit about this. So we've talked a lot about the inventory problems that we're having, and one of the solutions for buyers right now is to buy a new build because they have a little bit more inventory than does the resale market, and sometimes they might be a little more flexible on certain things. Now, we can go into the topics of buying new versus used in another video, and as a matter of fact, I have some past videos about that. But I want to focus on the new home section for this particular shoot. Again, since inventory is so low, new homes are a viable way to create inventory for buyers looking for homes. But be aware that if you're looking at a new home right now, many of the builders are about 4 to 6 months out, meaning it's hard to walk into a builder's office today and close in 30 days on one of their homes because there's so much demand on them. This is where I think you really need to talk to your real estate professional to get clear on what your options are, because they are going to put some time frames on you, and they may say that they want your home in escrow or even sold 30 to 60 days prior to you closing on your new house. So you might need to be prepared to have temporary housing or make some other arrangements for you and your family so you can make that transition more smooth. One thing that the builders have been doing lately is working with iBuyers to say, hey, we know you have to sell this home. We will pay you 90% of the home's value for a quick cash offer now. And if you get too far down the line, the builder may say you need to take that option or they're going to opt to cancel on you. So I would love to talk to you guys more about this topic at any time. Call or text me and we can really go into detail about this. Thanks so much for checking out the video. Have a great day.